Hello everyone, I'm Alex at Vending Machine Support. I got a real quick video for you. I'm going to show you how to enable your credit card reader on your Crane National 157, 158, and 167 and 168 snack vending machine if you just recently added a credit card reader to those machines. So let's get started. If you just recently installed a credit card reader, such as this NIAX device here, onto a Crane National 157, 158, 167, or 168 snack machine, and the credit card reader doesn't seem to be enabling or being recognized, you need to make sure, number one, that you are running the right firmware, as well as making sure you have enabled the credit card reader in the software. So to do that, what we're first going to do is we're going to check the machine config info. So we're going to press machine config, which is on your operator keypad here. It says machine config. I'm going to press the down arrow, and what we're looking for is something that says no card. So we go, here's MDB Mech, and then we have MDB 1 and 5 for the dollar bill acceptor, and then here we have no card. Now, if you have the right firmware, it will read no card. If you cannot find this on your firmware at all, then you do not have the right firmware on your machine. So once we found the no card on the display, we simply can press edit to cycle to the different options. We press edit one time, we're going to have dumb card. That is an older style credit card reader or old style card acceptance system. But what we're looking for is MDB card, because our NIAX device on this machine, as well as other credit card readers, are all MDB devices. So I press the edit button one more time, and here we have MDB card on the display, and this will then enable it. Now, if I go ahead and hit exit and come back all the way out to the front menu, you'll see that the credit card reader will now pop back into its sales mode because now it has been enabled within the software. Crane National Vendors, I think, is the only company that actually has a different enabling feature for credit card readers, to my knowledge, because there was two styles of credit card readers as they were entering into the market. So again, this tells you how to enable your credit card reader on the software on your Crane National Vendors 157, 158, 167, and 168. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.